Okay, today I want to talk to you about this folding desk lamp. We're going to do a quick unboxing. I'm going to show you a couple of use scenarios. We're going to mount this lamp to two different locations, one over there on a drafting table and one here at my studio desk. And then we're going to go ahead and show you some of the features and options of this wonderful desk lamp. So here we have the desk lamp. We're going to go ahead and get this unboxed. First thing you're going to find when you open it up, comes with an AC adapter power cord. Once you get that out, you will also find your mount for your desk. Simple little Phillips head screwdriver and a couple of screws. They sent me double. Then you get to the lamp itself. Once you get that out of the packaging, you can unfold it to its full 180 degree. You have one mounting cylinder that goes to the clamp itself and one flexible arm, which will allow you to position or orient the lamp in any position you need. Assembly is really quite simple. First thing you'll do is you'll put the aluminum piece into the clamp itself. You'll take one machine screw, which will thread right into a small nut on the opposing side. Once you have that secure, you will attach the flexible part of the arm on there with a single screw. Once you have that secure, you can then attach the lamp head to the top of that flexible piece, and then you are ready to mount it. Once you have it mounted, you can go ahead and connect your power supply and you can start cycling through the different brightnesses and colors. This comes in a soft yellow, a medium soft white, as well as a bright or daylight configuration. Because this lamp is foldable into either a 180 or a completely 90 degree or parallel size, you can then orient the light in any fashion that you like. Here it is mounted to the top of my studio desk. Just want to make sure that there's no glare and there's no issues with looking at that. Now, there are other lights on in the studio, so once I have those turned off, I'm going to cycle through some light settings here and get the right brightness for what I need in the studio. And this will allow me to work and browse the web or check out my Instagram, whatever I need to do. Now we're over at our drafting table. My wife will demonstrate some uses of it here at a art station. Now she is going to go ahead and do some pattern tracing as an example using an app on her phone. And as you can see here, she's able to adjust the right light contrast that she needs to do this kind of fine detail work. Really good for a project table, excellent for a desk. All you need to do is get it out, set it up. It's done in less than 2 minutes after you get it out of the box, and you will find this a very valuable addition to your workspace.